What captures attention? There's a formula is very accurate, tells you that what capture attention. And the first thing is that you need to get an A. What is A? A is attention. Attention. Next one is I. What is I? Well, the first you must get the attention of those who watch reach your post. The second point is interest. Once the person see your post on the social media, they get attention. The first step is attention. If you can't get attention for somebody, you can't have the interest. But they are all entering together, right? So you must do your research before you post your post, and you need to learn how to write a good copyright. So it comes back to the first thing is that you need to know what is the problem you are wanting to solve. Okay, is it painful enough? Is it painful enough? Then you get the attention, right? And then people want to solve it, so that's why there is interest, because the problem is so big that it's interest. Okay, so next one is okay. Yes, you're right. People want to solve it. They're really eager to solve it. It's called desire. D for desire. And finally, you need to lead them to make a change, because for using your product or services, they get a change, a better change. So they know that okay, I'm going to have that. So what caused that? The last part of having these actions is that now think about that. When's the last time you bought something from Lazada, Shopee, or this our shop by Asia, right? So what caused you to buy something, or even from your Facebook friends? Why is it that do the actions, or they take the actions to make an order? Right? It's all because that of all these forwards, they caught their attention, and then they are interested into it, and then they desire, and then they take actions. Now, I give you an example. Right? The chair that I'm sitting here is that the attention is that I go to the Shopee, and then I search chair, and then that is first there's listing, they're listed in there. So then I got attention. So I'm going to see which one I like, and then I'm interested in a comfortable chair. So I have, and in fact I actually the interest and desire is all driven by a problem, a hidden problem where I have a back pain. Right? Many people have that. So that back pain cause my interest. Okay, so I have a problem and I have a need for that. So I have the desire for that. So what makes me to buy from this shopper and not that shopper, right? Not that seller, is that so it's moving from the desire to action. So I have the desire, stronger desire for this seller and not this seller, because that this seller has a good testimony, customer feedback that very much help me to feel secure. Even I buy it from Shopee, right? But today there's so many sellers, so that the quality of the seller is not in control. So then we had to see how the other customer buy from them, right? They take the risk and buy them, and they even put a good testimony. So based on that, I make a decision and I take action. I click the button, right? So that is the thing. So now today, what else that people very what cause people to take actions, right? Is that you need to achieve this 4 step actions. The first A is attention. Yes, first is attention. The second one is interest. Third one is desire. And fourth one is actions, right? Actions, yes. So that because you need to lead them to take actions, right? You see, it can be a smaller one. This is if you are selling a big items, right? The action could be just PM. Click here. Just makes your audience do something, right? Raise your hand. All these are very important, right? So I hope this can help you to capture the attention of those people you want to help. Okay, so that is another bring community forward tips. Have a nice day.